Welcome back, guys. This is Vikram again. Today I'm going to bring you a new unboxing which is drastically going to change the way I shoot my videos, the quality of my videos, and everything from the surrounding will be visible. And this new unboxing is going to be just awesome for my gear, so stay tuned. So guys, this is my new DJI Maverick Mini. This drone is capable of recording 4K 2.7K videos. It is also 249 grams, just below the regulations, but in New Zealand it is still have to be taken permission if you are going to fly in restricted areas, and you do need a Wings membership card to fly this one in a restricted area. On top of that, this drone can only fly up to 120 meters by law in New Zealand. You cannot fly it above that under any circumstances, whether you have a fly membership card or not. There are no exception about it. So let's get to the unboxing of this amazing drone. All right, let's get to it. Wow, this is the DJI Mini Maverick box, and these are the prop cards. And these are for New Zealand. When I fly a drone, I need to put this one hanging somewhere, that flying with control and all. DJI has got a very nice packing. Like this one, it has got already a symbol made on it that this is this is a plug for the charger. Then this one is your free battery. And these are your manual books if you want to read it. Well, that's about it. One more thing, guys. When you buy yourself DJI Maverick or any kind of drone, you must buy one of this DJI Care Refresh. It is very important because just in case you are flying your expensive drone and you crash it into a tree or a wall or anywhere, and you manage to break anything in it, you can always go to the DJI Refresh Care and you can get a full replacement of your drone, and you only have to pay like $60. So you get only 2 replacement, mind it, for a year. This thing is for a year. So if you break your drone, so you can change your drone 2 times only, and first time you will have to pay $60, then second time it was I think somewhere about $90 or something like that. So when you have your DJI Maverick, this is very, 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 very important. So let's see what's inside this box. It's a nice firm packing. So this is a DJI Maverick Mini. It's only this big, guys. My hands are not that big, but this is how tall it is. Let me compare it with a mobile phone. How big you can see it is. It is even smaller than a phone. So this is the actual size of it from end to end. Then this also comes with a battery charger. This is a 3 battery charger. Very nicely packed. Very nicely packed. You can charge 3 batteries at a time. This is your Maverick controller. I believe this has got a quite good weight to it. This has got a quite good weight to it. So I believe it opens up somewhere like this. Okay. Yep. This opens up like this. And like this. Yeah. So in case you want to increase the range and you're getting out of range, you can always play with this antenna a little bit like this, so it will have more range. Okay. And it has got also thumb screws over here, so when you are not using it, you can always put them back in the controller only, but on the bottom, so it doesn't break up or anything. So this is how the controllers are. So this side is for up and down, means elevating the drone to up and then to down, and this side is for turning or thing like that. Okay, this is nice. Let's see the batteries. Oh, nice. Now it has got 3 batteries over here, and all 3 batteries go inside here. That screwdriver for changing the propellers or something like that. So it has got a USB type C for charging up the batteries and all, and these are the different 3 types of cable for your phone, and this one is another. Okay, that's good. They give you two of them, and these are additional your joysticks, these one. So these are the spare one, just in case if you break it, because they look a little bit fragile. These are very small, so if you become too excited and press it all the way up, it will break. And these are the wires for your phone. So we got a iPhone wire here, then we got a USB type C wire, and then we got older USB type over here, and then we got a screwdriver for screwing up your nuts, which are these are the nuts for the drone. And there should be some propellers as well. They are the thing. Yeah, so this is bloody good. So I got 1 2 3 4, yeah, so I got 3 sets. So one is already 1 2, one whole set is a 4, so this is 4, these are 4, these are 4, so I got 3 more sets. And guess what, I also got the additional nuts in it. So this is goddamn good, man. This is quite good combo. I suggest you guys, if you guys are going to start filming or something like that, must have a fly more combo, because DJI's fly more combo is just amazing, man. The kind of accessories you are getting for few extra dollars is quite good. And this is a proper charger for DJI. It's a fast charger, I think. Yeah, this is a fast charger. All this thing over here, and then you can just simply place your DJI here, and then you can take it out. Yeah. So guys, this is the unboxing of my DJI Maverick Mini. So if you like my videos, please comment, like and subscribe.